Hello viewers, this is Jogdan Geography reporting from the agricultural fields in India. Today we will practically learn about the agriculture in India because the Indian agriculture or because India is well known as an agrarian nation, and in this country maximum people depends upon the agriculture. Means nearly 60% people in India, they are engaged in the primary occupation, and agriculture is a primary occupation. Today I will show you about the agriculture or its daily work, how difficult it is to work in the agriculture. Really I can't express in words that I am carrying this. You can see this is the chemical which is sprinkled over the agriculture to prevent the harm which causes to the agriculture, because unwanted plants like this, if they grow, they are the unwanted crops and they are called weeds. If such a crop grows in between the main crops, they are very harmful to the crops. That's why the farmers has to sprinkle chemicals like this. Let me show, please. See, can you see this? Yes, I am really like this. The farmers, you can't see, but I am feeling, I am carrying nearly more than 5 kg weight of water itself, and along with that this bag carries the more than 10 kg weight. Remember, this is a very easy for me, this is enjoyable for me, but remember, this is the daily work of the farmers in the monsoon season. For us this is a fun, for us this is enjoyable, but practically passing through these days is a big challenge. That's why really I salute the Indian farmers, and because every day they work hard in the fields, and really there are dangers of the reptiles. Various reptiles, means remember, various reptiles are there. Along with the reptiles means work coming in the agriculture in the morning and working till the late night is a very difficult task. I request my cameraman, please come forward. So I'm practically sprinkling the chemicals to prevent such kinds of weeds. So this is called the trough downside, and this is called the crest. So these are the trough and crest. Means from this crest the water flows through and it supplies to the main crops, and above the crest they plant the different kinds of crops. This is the soybean crops, and how easily we enjoy the soybean oil in Nanded or in Mumbai or in Aurangabad. But farmers work hard for that. Remember, that's why means our former Prime Minister said that Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, यानी यूं ही जो है वर्क नहीं होता, यूं ही जो है लाइफ आसान नहीं होती, उसके लिए बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क जो है वो करना पड़ता है। और वो हार्ड वर्क जो है हमारे मेन सिटी से 10 किलोमीटर 20 किलोमीटर दूर जो है वो फार्मर्स करते हैं। इसीलिए जो है शायद हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा होगा जय जवान जय किसान। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको डेली जो है हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक। शायद कोई क्रॉप्स हो, कोई डैमेज हो, अगर बारिश कम हो तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, अगर बारिश ज़्यादा हो तो भी प्रॉब्लम है। यानी दिस इंडिकेट्स दैट मीन्स रीजनेबल एंड कंफर्टेबल रेनफॉल इज very necessary, and apart from this there are other problems because this territory is a rain shadow area in Maharashtra. So means comfortable rainfall is very essential. That's why if there is a comfortable rainfall, then only agriculture will flourish. Otherwise means if there is a comfortable rainfall, then agriculture will flourish, and if there is a good crops, then only there will be no price hike in the main cities. If there is no agriculture, then the price of the daily commodities will increase. Remember, means जो तेल हो या कोई भी ब्लैक ग्राम हो, ग्रीन ग्राम हो, यानी मूंग उड़द, उसके प्राइस क्यों बढ़ते हैं? क्योंकि अगर बारिश बराबर नहीं गिरी तो क्या हो जाएगा? मीन्स उनके प्राइस बढ़ जाएंगे, इसीलिए। लेकिन अगर बारिश बराबर हो गई तो क्या हो जाएगा? मतलब कोई महंगाई नहीं बढ़ेगी। अब क्या होता है गांव में, कुछ फार्मर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके पास, ये पीछे मेरे देखो, मेरे दोस्त, आई रिक्वेस्ट माय कैमरामैन, ये जो है ऐसे वेल्स होते हैं जिनके लिए मतलब अगर मॉनसून फेवरेबल नहीं भी है तो वो क्या करते हैं, ऐसे वेल का पानी जो है इस एग्रीकल्चर सप्लाई कर सकते हैं। लेकिन उन फार्मर्स का क्या, जिनके पास ज़्यादा कम खेती हो, 5 एकड़ 10 एकड़ और ऐसी वेल्स नहीं हो, इस एरिया में पर्टिकुलर इरिगेशन की फैसिलिटी भी नहीं है, तो वहाँ क्या होता है, वैसे फार्मर्स टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द मानसून सीजन. दैट्स वाई मानसून सीजन इज very essential in India. So let's salute to the Indian farmers. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, Jogdern Geography. Thank you.